The water level meter is probably our most used tool. We use it all the time, and it's going to tell us the depth to the water. Once we hit the water, it'll make a beeping sound. So there we go, we've hit water. We can take multiple water levels across a bunch of different wells or a system of wells and see how the water level is changing in the aquifer.
So another tool that we have in our toolbox is called a tagline. And what we use these tools for is just to determine how deep a well is. So what you would do is you would just take and drop this down into the well till you hit the very bottom of the well. And then you would be able to measure the total depth of that well. One way to get water out of a well is through a pump. And this is a little pump that we use to take and collect water samples from monitoring wells across the state. It goes down into the well and pulls water in through these bottom and sends it up through this tubing into the well. So we're going to drop it down in the well and collect some water. We can test for a lot of different things. A lot of times we'll just sample for nutrients and to get a general water quality. I'm going to start pumping this well, and here in just a second we're going to have water coming out of this pipe into our bucket. Here it comes. And there's water that we have coming right out of the well. From here, if we were going to collect a sample, we would fill up our sample bottles after the well has pumped for a certain amount of time, and we'll take measurements throughout that entire pumping process.